Hello everyone, I'm Parvin Guliyeva. Welcome to my video that demonstrates simple water level controller circuit on breadboard. In this video, I'll represent my project and I'll try to explain operation of this circuit. Let's start. Here is my project. In this project, I used Arduino Mega 2560, LCD indicator, breadboard, potentiometer, NPN transistors, resistors, LEDs, 9-volt battery, computer, connection wires, and water. In order to display the level of water, I used LCD, as I mentioned before. Here you can see how to connect LCD to Arduino Mega with using potentiometer. Also, I can note that the potentiometer is used to adjust brightness of LCD and change the contrast. Firstly, I would like to show the circuit I used to make project. Here, as you can see, I used 5 transistors. These transistors are NPN transistors, and they are called BC337. I connected their collector to voltage source. This is collector, and this connected voltage source, 5 volt, and their emitter is connected to ground. As you see, all the emitters of transistors are connected to ground. I used the base of the transistors as level sensor. Here the base of transistors, or each base acts as a level sensor. The first is shows 20%, and then 40%, 6%, 8%, and 100%. I connected the red wire or positive side of the 9-volt battery to the bottom of the water. Here I have a 9-volt battery, and red wire is connected to the bottom of the bottle water, and another side is connected to ground. With using conductivity of water, if the wire connected to base is touch water, related level will be shown on the LCD screen. The transistor pins, I called them as sensor pins in the code, are connected to Arduino Mega board. Here, in the first transistor pin is connected to 25, then 26, 28, 30, 32 respectively. On the other side, I used 5 LEDs. They are green, yellow, white, blue, and red. I wrote such a code that these LEDs blink according to related level. For example, if the water level is 40%, the red LED will blink. Now I'm going to represent my code I wrote in IDE. Here I used a liquid crystal library. I defined sensor pin numbers and as sensor pin numbers as input, and LED pins as output. In the loop part, I used if-else condition. If sensor pin is low, appropriate LED will be high. To print the words on the LCD screen, I used LCD print. This is the next part of my code. I wrote a code for 40% level, 60%, and 80%. And this is the last part. I print for 100% level, and I wrote open valve. And for else condition, I printed the tank is empty and close valve. Finally, we can observe how this water level controller circuit operates. In this case, LCD shows that the tank is empty and all lights are off. Let's begin to fill our tank. Now water level in the tank is 20%. Continue to filling up. Yeah, now 40%. %60%. 80%. Yeah. At last, the tank is filled up and it's required to open the valve. Finally, I can tell that this simple circuit can be suitable for controlling water level in the tanks. That's the end of presentation of my project. Thank you for your attention.